guys, it's Laura here with PSP, and today I'm going to do a handprint Christmas tree canvas. So, how you start, step one. I'm going to paint my hand. And then get them to put their hand on the canvas just like that. After that, you're gonna paint one more time. Make sure to cover all of their fingers. And get them to make another handprint and another handprint. After that, you're gonna get them, step 2 is to dip your finger into the paint and make ornaments all over your Christmas tree. And then you're going to, for your last step, step 3, paint a tree trunk. And a Christmas tree star. And that's it. All done.